Beetroot when applied as a mask to your face also helps to reduce acne, especially in summer. Use aloe vera and beetroot powder together may helps to reduce black spots and blemishes, and also may helpful in reduce dark circles. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY beetroot gel for glowing skin. You will need 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder. It helps with some of your skin concerns like acne, hyperpigmentation, and the like. Finally, reap the beetroot benefits for skin and get a clear and glowing face. 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. You can use aloe vera gel on your face every day to moisturize the skin and soothe minor irritation as long as you are not allergic. Mix these ingredients until to get smooth paste. Daily apply on your face for 15 minutes and then rinse it off with plain water.